In order to update your delivery address in Temu, you need to go ahead and access the Temu application on your mobile device if you're using your phone. Or you can also use their website, open your web browser, go to temu.com, log into your specific account, and once you're in the home page, tap on your profile in the top right corner of your screen that is between search and support. Now scroll down and tap on your profile option. Now once you're in your profile, from the menu that appears in the bottom, go ahead and tap on addresses that you will find between browsing history and country or region and language. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll get the option of add a new address, which is highlighted in orange color. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you need to go ahead and select your country or region, your first name, followed by your last name. Then go ahead and enter your postcode, street, or house number to find your full address in this search bar. Then you need to enter your phone number, tap on save, which is also highlighted in orange color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.